right around this corner here, we're going to make a right turn. We're heading into the college. I'm going to do a little driving exercise with you to get you used to the brake. So right turn here. What school are you going?
MacJack.
Ah, MacJack.
Oh, sorry, McDonald Cartier.
Yeah, MacJack, yeah. I call them MacJack, dude. So anyway, the exercise that we're doing here, we're going to keep going straight.
Okay.
Just imagine you were driving an ambulance and you had just picked somebody up with a broken back.
With a broken back. Okay.
Broken back. So now we're going over these speed bumps. We want to make sure you don't make them scream. So let's see. Don't worry about it.
It's reassuring.
So right about here you start braking. Just want to let the front tires roll slowly over. Just a wee time. That's perfect. And then the back tires follow through. Or imagine you were carting eggs. You don't want to break the eggs. I got eggs in my trunk.
Okay.
That's why
I'll keep that in mind.
shot doing an omelet tonight, so I guess it doesn't matter if you break it through. So here we go, another speed bump. Don't know why they call them speed bumps. They just slow you down. Man, nobody's screaming. Oh, that's great. That's the way you do it. Yeah.
Searching for greatness.